Are you tired of mediocre store-bought ice cream and yearn for the delightful flavors and textures of artisanal ice cream? Look no further than the Breville BCI600XL Smart Scoop Ice Cream Maker, the ultimate kitchen gadget that brings the scoop shop experience to your home. In this in-depth review, we'll explore how this innovative ice cream maker can transform your dessert game and provide you with a frozen treat like no other. The Breville Smart Scoop Ice Cream Maker is not your average ice cream machine. It's the first of its kind to incorporate intelligent technology that automatically senses the hardness of your ice cream mixture based on your selection. This means that it knows precisely when your frozen creation has reached the perfect consistency, ensuring that every batch of ice cream you make is nothing short of perfection. No more guesswork or checking the mixture every few minutes, it does the work for you. One of the standout features of this ice cream maker is its 12 hardness settings. Whether you crave silky smooth gelato, tangy sorbet, classic ice cream, or the creaminess of frozen yogurt, the Smart Scoop has you covered. You can easily select the desired hardness setting, and the machine will take care of the rest. This versatility allows you to explore a wide range of frozen dessert recipes and cater to different tastes in your household. With a generous 1.5 quart bowl capacity, the Breville Smart Scoop Ice Cream Maker lets you create ample servings of your favorite frozen treats. Whether you're hosting a family gathering, a dinner party, or simply treating yourself to a delightful dessert, this ice cream maker can handle it all. Say goodbye to those tiny store-bought ice cream containers. Now you can make enough for everyone. One of the key elements that set this ice cream maker apart is its self-refrigerating compressor. With a voltage of 110 to 120 volts and a power rating of 165 watts, this compressor ensures that your ice cream mixture is maintained at the ideal temperature throughout the entire freezing process. No need to pre-freeze bowls or deal with messy ice and salt. This machine does all the cooling for you, resulting in consistently creamy and delicious ice cream. Whether you're a seasoned ice cream aficionado or a novice looking to explore the world of homemade frozen desserts, the Breville Smart Scoop has options for everyone. You can choose to operate it fully automatically, letting the machine handle every step of the process. Alternatively, if you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can opt for manual functionality, giving you complete control over your ice cream making adventure. The choice is yours. Imagine this scenario: you've just finished crafting a batch of your favorite ice cream, but you're not quite ready to indulge. No problem. The Smart Scoop has a keep cool setting that maintains your ice cream at the perfect temperature for up to 3 hours. So whether you want to savor your frozen creation immediately or come back to it later, your ice cream will remain at its best. To ensure that your ice cream starts churning at the optimal temperature, the Breville Smart Scoop Ice Cream Maker features a pre-cool setting. This setting cools the machine down to the ideal operating temperature before you begin churning. This attention to detail ensures that your ice cream has the perfect texture and consistency from the get-go. With the Breville Smart Scoop Ice Cream Maker, the possibilities are endless. You can unleash your creativity and experiment with an array of flavors and mix-ins. From classic vanilla and rich chocolate to exotic fruit sorbets and decadent nut-studded creations, you can craft ice cream masterpieces that cater to your cravings and culinary imagination. Rest assured, with Breville's commitment to quality and durability, the Smart Scoop Ice Cream Maker comes with a warranty that guarantees peace of mind. Now, let's take a quick look at the technical specifications. The machine operates on 110 to 120 volts and has a power rating of 165 watts. In conclusion, the Breville BCI600XL Smart Scoop Ice Cream Maker is a game-changing addition to your kitchen that allows you to create professional quality frozen desserts with ease. Say goodbye to store-bought ice cream and experience the joy of crafting your own creamy, dreamy creations. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a dessert enthusiast, this machine is designed to delight your taste buds and elevate your culinary adventures. If you're as excited as we are about the possibilities of the Breville Smart Scoop Ice Cream Maker, show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel for more kitchen inspiration, and hitting the notification bell to stay updated on the latest innovations in the world of cooking.